Hey guys, I need you to preheat your oven to 350 degrees because today we're gonna stuff portobello mushrooms with something really good. This is your keto meal today. All right, if you've watched some of my videos, you know how I like to cook. I like to look up a recipe and then modify things within that recipe to make it my own. Today, on the stuffed portobello mushrooms, I was gonna get a sirloin steak and I was just running through the grocery store and I picked up hamburger instead. That's okay. We're gonna make it work anyway. Let's take a look at the ingredients that will be in our meal today. We're gonna start out by chopping up some bell pepper and some onion, saute it in a pan so that we can add it to the mix that's gonna stuff the portobello mushrooms. So cut your onion into a little half moon, just a little half moon, and we're gonna saute it just like this. So we're gonna have little strings of onion that's gonna be in the mix. Do the same thing with the bell pepper, not real thick, kind of thin strips. Perfection. Saute this in coconut oil. Okay, I added salt and pepper to the onion and bell pepper. I also added a little bit of turmeric. Next up is we're gonna hollow out some of these mushrooms, take what we hollow out, add it to the hamburger, and mix it all in with all the other ingredients, stuff the bell peppers with that, and I'm also gonna add some goat cheese, throw them in the oven. I've never made these before, but I know they're gonna come out so good. Okay guys, let's prepare these mushrooms so that we can get them all stuffed in the oven, out of the oven, cool to the right temperature, and then eat. I just broke a mushroom. That's okay. We'll see if we can somehow make Humpty Dumpty fit back together again. The best mushroom too, the deepest, most hollowed out mushroom is the one I break. That's okay. All right, it's time to get the ground beef mix all put together. Something that is extremely frustrating when you're vlogging, which for me means moving the camera around, trying to cook everything, trying to follow the recipe, is when I forget to hit the record button. And I just did that when I stuffed these portobello mushrooms, but I put the mushrooms in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. They're almost done. You're about to hear the buzzer beep. I'll pull them out. We'll make sure that the meat is all finished with the meat thermometer, and then we're just gonna let them cool for a few minutes. Oh, they're done. These look and smell delicious. Well, everybody, we're wrapping up another video. I'm about to dig into this stuffed portobello mushroom. Absolutely smells amazing. The thing I really like about a recipe like this is you can do it so many different ways. You can add your own different seasonings. You can try it however you want. You can use any different cheese you want. You can use different amounts of everything. If you want to know where the macros fall, just plug in the amounts of what you're using into MyFitnessPal, and it will break down exactly where your macros are, so you know what you're putting in your body. Before I did this, I plugged everything in, and it almost came out to perfect macros. A little high on the protein side. It's perfect on the carb side. My name's Jeff Kauffman. If you like videos like these, please go subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell icon. It'll prompt you every time I upload another video. And I'll see you on the next video.